Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Alison and today I'd like to share with you some inspiration from our Serendipitous Sepal box. Absolutely gorgeous little box. It is so simple to make. If you're a beginner, you're going to be able to make these. So what have our design team made? Let's have a little look. So we've got some lovely colours added to this. Let me show you how they open. That is the centre of your box. So what could you put in there? That could be a lovely piece of jewellery, obviously some sweets. They could be favours for a wedding. They could be any little girl's party dream. You could send your little friends home with these, depending on your colours. If you've gone with something very bright, these could definitely fit in with a little girl's party theme, I think. So what have we got with these? These have been, the box has been made exactly the same as I showed you before, but these have been popped onto foam pads to give that little bit extra depth. And behind we've got some handmade paper, and that adds a little bit extra depth, I think. There's also on the box is a little bit of glacier paste. And we've talked about this in the past, where it just adds that little bit of sheen onto the card. And again, you get the two shapes as well. So don't think you just get one, the two come in the die set. So again, these are layered. You've got the beautiful detail in the middle, all layered up to the hilt. So this one has got a lovely drop shadow. So it's been cut in the black pattern, but also the same in white, and just moved across slightly so you can see a tiny, tiny little bit of white peeping through. So again, we've got an extra piece of layering. It's been snipped out from the die. So we've got the background has been layered, and then we've got the centre that's snipped out. But this is also paper pieced. So the front has been cut in cream, cut again into the gold, and all the little pieces are popped into the die cut. Absolutely gorgeous. I can definitely see that on a wedding table. Then moving on, little bit of silver peeking out there as a drop shadow. Look at these little tags. They are just divine. Could hide a little message under there. But there's another one that you could hide a message in. This is one from Ruth, and she's put another layer on the front. So this one, you've got a little tag inside that you could put a secret message into. What a lovely idea. What else have we got to share with you? This is one from Jodie. So she's used different colours to paper piece here. And she's also brought the little hearts through into the side. So again, lovely little centre to these boxes. What else have we got? This is another one from Jodie. So she's cut the centre out of this die cut and brought a bit of layering into it and added a little bit of paper piecing again. These dies are perfect for paper piecing because you've got the lovely little hearts. We've got another one here. I think this is Vicky. And Vicky's done a lovely little bit of paper piecing with the gold. Just subtly though, just picking out one little element. There's one here that I haven't shown you. Well, I have shown you, but I haven't shown you the inside. It's just caught my eye. Look, it's been lined inside with silver glitter. That gives you another dimension. And then I've got another one popped behind you. So we've got some little crystal drops here, jewel drops they are, and they're just picking up the light. And then some little gems in the centre. So you can make these as elaborate as you want or as simple as you want. Totally your choice. Kate then has done something very different. She's taken the die cut apart and made a card with it. So she's cut off these parts. So you can see it there. And she's cut it off. and made a leaf out of it. So she's made a new design out of the die cut, but she's also used it as a stencil in the background. Lovely little idea. Have a play with your dies. See what else you can get out of these. And the last one, I'm just going to share this one with you. This is one I've made, and it's got an acetate front to it, so you can give a little sneaky peek of the gift inside. And if you join me for another video, I'll show you exactly how to make this. So I hope you've enjoyed these makes this week. Don't forget, share your makes on our social media page. We love to see them. We love to see what you're creating. And see you again soon.